Whispers of you drift endlessly across the ocean's fragile sea. The stars recall what hearts forget. Yet love remains our quiet duet. Your shadow moves through silver streams, a soft reflection of our dreams. Even in silence, I feel you linger, fading away, yet pulling me deeper. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in the darkest night, through every scar, through every silent cry, you're still on my mind, my only woman. No distance, no one can rewrite this life. You're still on my mind, my only woman. In falling rain, your laughter flows. Through every tear, your presence glows. Time may fade, but truth remains. In love's refrain, we break these chains, and every silence speaks your name. Each breath relights a fragile flame. Through every storm, through every fall, your voice still echoes through it all. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in the darkest night, through every scar, through every silent cry, you're still on my mind, my only woman. No distance, no one can rewrite this life. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Through fear and fire, through endless skies, our hearts still rise. They defy demise. Bound by a vow no one can sever. I'm yours now until the end of time. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Burning brighter through the night, through every loss, through every silent cry. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in shadows, you still shine. Your heart forever next to mine. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Your heart still beats next to mine, fading slow into the night. You're still on my mind, my only